today we're gonna be jumping into affordable products. I'm gonna be showing you guys my affordable makeup products that I feel like perfect for the best for beginners. So let's jump straight into this video. Let's start first with foundation. I feel like the Maybelline Fit Me is perfect for beginners. It have a lot of shades to, you could choose from, and it's cheap, so you could play around if you can't find your exact color, which I did when I was first starting off. So I should have started off with primer. So the first thing you really want to start with is primer. I really love this e.l.f. Power Grip primer. Is like the cheap version to the Milk, so I definitely suggest you going to get that. So for lippies, I'm all over the place, I'm so sorry you guys. For lippies, I feel like Juvia's Place is the best. Juvia's Place you're gonna see here a lot because I have Juvia's Place blush, Juvia's Place bronzer, Juvia's Place setting powder. I feel like Juvia, go run to Juvia. They have sales. I usually wait on a sale, you get what I'm saying, and then cop everything. So I highly suggest you do that, and a skincare routine, and another good foundation is the Born to Glow foundation. I really like that. The concealers, now it's a lot of affordable concealers. I have like two. I have one of the foundation and one of the concealers, which is very affordable. This is $10 here, and for the Maybelline Fit Me, I think I got this for like $3 or $4 on Amazon. Now this e.l.f. concealer, I usually have the black one, the matte. This one is the hydrating one. I really wanted to try both because hello, like we might as well try both. And yeah, y'all, my lippies. Now I have a lot of NYX lip glosses. I love lip glosses. I'm not really a matte girl. Lip glosses, I have so much lip glosses, and they're basically from Juvia's. I only have a couple of other things that's not from Juvia's, which is my foundation. Okay, so the Fit Me powders, y'all. This right here, butter. Okay, butter. Now I have two setting powders, you guys. I don't know if you remember in my last video I said this leaves me flashback, because it does. This shade leaves me flashback, but when I try another shade, which I'm not wearing now, this is the Juvia's Gobi on me now. I tried the 30 and it was okay. It was okay. So we're gonna definitely jump that. Okay, and then another primer is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. This is a good primer for dry skin. I have normal to dry skin, you guys, so that's what is given. And y'all know a OG old time favorite LA Pro Girl concealer, but this is for color correcting, and I have the shade orange. You gotta color correct sometimes, y'all. I did not color correct today, but yeah. So now if you guys want me to make another beginners tutorial, like not tutorial but beginners affordable makeup products, brushes, anything like that, please leave that comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, and go check out a makeup video or two. I didn't give too much in details about like the products. Well, I told you guys how much it is and all of that, but it's like, come on. I feel like I have more expensive stuff than I have affordable, because I already picked my color. I did all of that good stuff. So once you do that, then you can go and get the expensive. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you guys, I'm so sorry, this video was all over the place. I just was like, you know what, let me put this video together and show you guys some of the products that I have. So I have the e.l.f. setting spray. I don't know if you guys want to see my palettes. Matter of fact, yeah, let me show you guys all of the palettes that I have here. Thumbnail. So yes, this is quite a lot, you know, for just starting off. So we have Juvia's. Y'all know that's my favorite. We have Juvia's by I said Juvia, the Nubian by Juvia's. Then we have the Nubian 2 by Juvia's. Then we have the Zulu by Juvia's. That's 3 already. That's from Juvia's. Then we have the Masquerade by Juvia. That's 4. Okay, and this is a Amazon eyeshadow palette, you guys. I really love this because they have like everything in it. And I bought this from 5 and Below, y'all. Y'all know I love that store. And I feel like it was kind of cute, you know, like the shimmers over here was kind of shimmering, so I got it. Then I have another one by Juvia's again. Y'all know about this. If y'all seen this, if y'all didn't see me do a look on that, go check that video out now. Then I have my Morphine 3 palette, which I love so very much. Then I didn't even use her yet, y'all. I did not use her yet. We gotta do a look with this. Oh my God, I'm sorry to look at her, y'all. She's so gorgeous. She's so gorgeous. And I got her on sale for like $15, y'all. And this was originally like $25. I got this for $5, the 5 and Below. This was on sale for $26 or something like that. Y'all know I had to run and get her. She was on sale for $23.99. I had to get her because she's originally $39, and we don't want that. This is $9.99, my girl. That's my girl. And this I got on sale for $9. Like I said, if y'all really love Juvia's, because Juvia's really be giving for people like with my skin complexion, you know what I'm saying? Darker people, darker complexion, Juvia's, okay? Now this palette, it was $9. It's originally $30. Little old you, why is you $30? I don't know. I don't know why she put this as $30, but it was, and it got on sale for $9. And you know what I did? Cop that bitch. Cop that bitch. So now I think she was on sale too, because I don't buy stuff if it's not on sale, y'all. Y'all crazy. I got kids, okay? So then I think I got her on sale too. She's pretty too. So yeah, this one, I think this one was my first palette, you guys. This right here is my first baby. Like, I love her. My baby girl. She all broken up. She empty. She hitting pans. She empty over there. But that's only because my kids be playing with my stuff and dropping it. And that's the only reason why it's hitting pan. Because it shouldn't be hitting pan. You know? So that's everything for the makeup. If y'all want to like a expensive tutorial, you could definitely let me know. Like, what would you call that? Like high-end brands, makeup brands. I would definitely do a video for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. So I was just thinking, right? Let me just finish this up with a little chat, right? Because I was looking at my analytics, and they be saying that my shit be dropping like to 33%. What do I gotta do? Do I gotta come out with a back, like a handstand for y'all to continue to watch the video and for it to go up, not down? Like, do I gotta come out like really going crazy or something? I don't know. I don't know what I gotta do. I don't know what I gotta do. Do I gotta do handstands, black flips for y'all to pay attention to what I'm doing in the beginning? Cause it's just dropping and y'all just, I don't know. But look at my candle, y'all. I got this candle. I am a candle person. So let me just see that right now so somebody could send me a candle, because before this one done, sponsor your girl. Okay, I got this candle from TJ Maxx and she is very lovely. Oh my god, every time I come and do my makeup, I put her on and she be giving. Okay, she be giving. And I be like, girl, you smell so good. And it was $14 for this, okay? $14 for her. And she's still going strong. So if you a candle, you know, company, send your girl one. I would love to review it. Smells so good. I could do a commercial, right, y'all? Comment that comment below. Can I do a commercial or no? Like, do you like my baby hairs or no? Do I think I'm arrogant, Tay, or no? All right, thanks for watching, y'all. I love y'all.